Some animals are built for land, others for flight. But a select few have evolved eyes that turn the ocean's murk into high def. Underwater vision is no joke. Light behaves differently in water, scattering and fading faster with depth. To survive, hunt and navigate, these 10 animals have pushed vision to its limits. At the top of the list is the mantis shrimp. Its eyes are so advanced they verge on science fiction. Each eye operates independently and can move in all directions. While humans have 3 types of color receptors, mantis shrimp have up to 16, including receptors for ultraviolet and polarized light. They can detect forms of light invisible to us, giving them unmatched precision in murky waters. Their vision helps them recognize predators, rivals, and prey, especially the translucent shrimp and camouflage fish that would be invisible to most. Next up are the 4-eyed fish, or anableps. Despite the name, they only have 2 eyes, but each eye is divided horizontally into 2 parts. One half is adapted to see above the waterline, and the other half is optimized for underwater vision. This rare adaptation allows them to navigate the shifting light of river mouths and estuaries. They can spot birds above and predators below at the same time. It's not just good vision, it's multitasking at a survival level. The colossal squid might not seem like a visual expert, living in pitch-black deep-sea zones, but its eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, reaching up to a foot in diameter. These massive eyes don't just look intimidating, they're designed to detect the faintest glimmers of light from bioluminescent prey or the subtle silhouette of a sperm whale above. In the darkness of the deep ocean, bigger eyes mean more light capture, and this squid has vision tailored for surviving where most light can't reach. Dolphins come next, with eyes that have evolved to handle rapid changes in light. As air-breathing mammals that hunt underwater, dolphins deal with constantly shifting conditions. Their eyes are equipped with a highly reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances low-light vision. They also have a powerful ability to adjust focus between air and water. This makes their vision useful for both above and below the surface, and vital for coordination during hunting. Sharks have been swimming the oceans for over 400 million years, and their vision is one of the reasons why. Their eyes are adapted to low-light conditions with a dense layer of rod cells and a tapetum lucidum. Some species can see 10 times better than humans in dim light. In turbid or nighttime waters, this is a lethal advantage. Sharks can also roll their eyes back for protection during attacks, which is another layer of evolution, fine-tuned for combat and survival. Cuttlefish might look like floating aliens, but their vision is no less impressive. They're colorblind in the traditional sense. They lack multiple types of color receptors, but they see color through a bizarre method involving polarized light and the shape of their pupils, which are W-shaped. This allows them to read the polarization of light bouncing off surfaces, which helps them detect prey and predators that are camouflaged to other eyes. They essentially see in contrast and texture instead of color, making them master predators in complex reef environments. Next is the archerfish. While not entirely an underwater feat, its vision bridges 2 worlds. It hunts insects by shooting jets of water to knock them off branches above. This requires incredible visual precision through the air-water boundary, which distorts light. Archerfish compensate for refraction and movement, calculating trajectories with machine-like accuracy. The optical calculations these fish make in milliseconds rival the aiming ability of high-end tech. Seals are built for underwater hunting in freezing, low-visibility environments. Their eyes are huge compared to their head size, with a high density of rod cells to maximize light capture. They also have a tapetum lucidum for night vision, giving them strong visual capabilities during deep dives or in polar waters. Unlike humans, their pupils can close into tiny slits in bright light or open wide in the dark, adapting quickly as they surface or dive. Next are the barrel-eye fish, strange deep-sea creatures with transparent heads and upward-facing tubular eyes. These eyes are optimized for spotting the silhouettes of prey or predators against the faint light filtering down from above. Their transparent dome shields their sensitive retinas while still letting light in, almost like a natural diving mask. What's bizarre is that these eyes can rotate inside the head, helping them track movement in multiple directions while staying mostly motionless themselves. Last is the crocodile fish, named for the shape of its snout rather than any reptilian relation. Found in coral reefs, it has highly camouflaged skin and eyes that can see well in low light. But the real magic is in its iris lappets, extensions that break up the circular shape of its pupils. This prevents sharp-eyed prey from spotting the telltale black circle of a predator's eye. Its vision isn't about brightness or color, it's about stealth. The fish reads its surroundings while remaining invisible itself, a balance of optics and deception. Each of these animals has evolved unique ways to see in a world where light bends, fades, and fractures. From the deep-sea giants to the stealthy reef hunters, their underwater vision is not just about clarity, it's about survival, strategy, and adapting to an alien world beneath the waves.